In the world of heavy-duty machinery, innovation is constantly pushing the boundaries of what machines can accomplish. From clearing massive snowdrifts to performing precision tasks in challenging environments, these machines demonstrate the incredible engineering feats achieved to address modern challenges. Let's explore a lineup of cutting-edge equipment making waves across industries. Number 15. TV1000 Snowblower. This is a snow-clearing beast specifically designed for airports. With the capability to tackle snowdrifts as high as 2 meters in a single pass, this machine ensures smooth operations in harsh winter conditions. Equipped with 2 diesel engines generating a combined 1,000 horsepower, it can shift up to 7,500 tons of snow per hour. Despite its 32-ton weight, the TV1000 can reach speeds of up to 60 km/h, ensuring efficiency and speed. A standout feature of this snowblower is its adjustable cab, which can move to the front or back of the blower chute, providing superior visibility. The cab is also equipped with hydraulic suspension, significantly reducing vibrations and enhancing driver comfort during extended operations. Number 14. Elphinstone WAR-810 Water Cannon. Designed for underground environments, this is a powerful tool for clearing hard-to-reach areas. Its 8,000-liter water tank delivers water at a pressure of 10.5 bar, making it highly effective in dust suppression and debris management. This machine features an 8-meter telescopic boom and hoses that are remotely operated for maximum safety. The cab, designed for 3 operators, includes climate control for comfort, making it a reliable solution for demanding underground tasks. Number 13. Technoker CMR. This transforms a standard semi-truck into a mobile vehicle diagnostic center, providing a convenient solution for vehicle inspections. The trailer can assess braking systems, examine running gear, and scan the underbody using a wide-angle camera. With an onboard computer handling all functions, operators can inspect vehicles efficiently without requiring trips to service centers. This innovation makes diagnostics more accessible and saves valuable time for fleet operators. Number 12. Air BP Refueler. This is Australia's first fully electric refueling machine designed for airport operations. Powered by high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, it has been refueling aircraft since 2022 with Jet A1 fuel. The refueler operates all day and recharges overnight, reflecting a shift toward more sustainable aviation practices. Developed by Sea Electric and Refuel International, this environmentally friendly machine reduces emissions on airfields, making it a pioneering solution for greener aviation. Number 11. Mini Gus. The Mini Gus is revolutionizing agriculture with its autonomous spraying capabilities in vineyards and orchards. One operator can manage up to 8 machines simultaneously, increasing efficiency. Powered by a 173 horsepower engine, the Mini Gus has a 1,514-liter tank and up to 44 nozzles for precision spraying. Using GPS and sensors, it adjusts spray rates on the go, ensuring accuracy. It's the ultimate helper that never takes breaks, making agricultural tasks faster and more reliable. Number 10. Bulmer EQ Forklift. This forklift is designed to handle massive loads of up to 25 tons. This electric powerhouse reaches speeds of 20 km/h in just 5 seconds, powered by a 9-kilowatt asynchronous engine. With features like anti-vibration systems, climate-controlled cabs, and multiple driving modes, Eco, Power, and Boost, this forklift offers unmatched comfort and efficiency. Its real-time diagnostic system monitors performance, ensuring smooth operations in industrial environments. Number 9. Holzel RSP Suction Excavator. This excavator is the go-to machine for precision tasks where traditional equipment might cause damage. Capable of sucking up particles as large as 25 centimeters, this giant vacuum clears tree roots, construction debris, and even aids in tunnel work. Its powerful motors can operate over 50 meters horizontally and 30 meters vertically, proving its versatility in diverse scenarios. Number 8. Menzi Mucken 5X, Master of Steep Slopes. Equipped with movable sliding axles and additional hydraulic stops, the Menzi Mucken 5 is built for tackling inclines of up to 45 degrees. Available in 3 models, M525X, M535X, and M545X. This machine is ideal for hilly terrains and challenging environments. Its extendable base provides maximum stability, making it perfect for jobs that require superior adaptability. Number 7. Case IH Quatrac 715, the Farming Beast. This is a farming giant, boasting up to 778 horsepower and a 1,968-liter fuel tank. Its 4-track system offers excellent off-road stability and minimizes ground pressure, protecting the soil during operations. With LED headlights providing superior visibility and a suspension system for comfort, it's a true Cadillac of modern farm machinery. Number 6. Lizabak SF132, Self-Propelled Bale Press. Designed for steep slopes, this features a lightweight frame and hydrostatic 4-wheel drive for superior maneuverability. Its 132 horsepower engine powers a baling system that efficiently collects and nets hay, leaving fields clean and tidy even in challenging terrains. This machine is ideal for alpine farming, where precision and reliability are paramount. Number 5. MST-028, Transforming Winter Roads. This one, developed in Russia, is an ice road specialist that compresses snow into a smooth, compact layer, creating durable winter highways. Originally developed in the 1970s, this machine has been modernized for enhanced payload and off-road capabilities, making it indispensable for cold regions. Number 4. PlantMax X2, Revolutionizing Forestry. This is an autonomous planting machine designed to revolutionize forestry operations, particularly in South America. Mounted on an 8x8 Buffalo King forwarder platform, it has the capacity to carry up to 30,000 seedlings at once, ensuring optimal conditions for growth through precise microclimates and humidity control. The machine's advanced sensors and autonomous arms probe the soil, sending real-time data to its onboard computer to determine the ideal planting conditions. Capable of planting up to 2,500 seedlings per hour. Number 3. Normet U-Tymic XL 1100 Agitator. This is a highly specialized underground concrete mixer designed for use in confined mining tunnels and construction sites. With a capacity of up to 10 cubic meters, this remote-controlled machine transports and pours concrete with unparalleled precision, even in the most challenging environments. Its low emissions and electrodynamic platform make it environmentally friendly, reducing carbon footprints in enclosed spaces. The hydraulic discharge system ensures that the concrete is poured accurately, while front and rear support legs provide stability during operation. Perfect for underground construction, tunneling, and mining projects, this offers efficiency, safety, and reliability in tough conditions where traditional machinery may struggle. Number 2. Sandvik DL422IE, Automated Mining Rig. This is a cutting-edge automated drilling rig designed for mining operations in confined spaces, such as tunnels and narrow shafts. Powered by a battery electric drive system, this rig offers a 4.4 kilometers range and operates efficiently in challenging underground environments. With the ability to drill holes up to 54 meters deep, this is equipped with advanced automation that allows it to perform complex tasks autonomously, minimizing the need for manual intervention. This not only enhances safety by reducing operator exposure to hazardous conditions. Number 1. 5700D curb and gutter machine. Rounding out the list is the 5700D, a compact and efficient curb machine designed for road construction and parking lots. It is a compact yet powerful machine designed to streamline road infrastructure projects, particularly the installation of curbs on roads, islands, and parking lots. With a 190 horsepower engine, this machine can lay concrete with remarkable precision, even on sloped surfaces, thanks to its advanced Slip Smart control system. The operator can manage the entire process with ease using a single hand, while the machine's compact size allows it to navigate narrow areas effortlessly. Its efficiency, top speed of 15 km/h, and ability to operate on inclined surfaces make the 5700D an essential tool for creating high-quality, durable infrastructure in urban environments. Thank you for exploring these incredible heavy-duty machines with us. From snowblowers to autonomous sprayers, these innovations are shaping the future of industries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into groundbreaking technology and industrial advancements. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.